What's up guys, it's Jordan Crypt here from Coin Bureau Trading with an important update on the Bitcoin market charts. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, stay tuned until the end of the video to make sure you get all of the important information. Very important is to zoom out and make sure that you are analyzing your fixed range volume profile on your larger range. And for this we include all of the information of the entire range going as far back as possible. Our lower levels on this drop and the reversal were right down at the POC of this larger fixed range volume profile, and that we are currently finding support within this high volume zone between $63,000 and $68,000. This is an essential zone for us to hold, as we can see very low levels of volume all the way down to 52,000 if we do lose this zone. Then below that, our volume is sitting all the way down around 43,000. Also with a nice smart money concept order block at that zone. Above us, if we do get a push up from here, we can see our upper resistance volume levels sitting around $84,000 to $88,000, and the value area high of this range starting around the $96,000 level. Going now to the daily time frame, it's very important to be aware of your fixed range volume profile on your micro range at all times. And it's clear to see now that we are hovering around the POC, the point of control. The next place that I will be scouting for longs will be within the value area low of this range, and we don't currently know how low that value area goes because we are currently establishing this range. And clear to see our major levels of volume above us are sitting at 78,800, a nice high volume zone around $82,000 to $84,000. And then some nice high volume here between $88,000 to $91,000. Those could be some nice areas for scalps and potential continuations on the downtrend. A juicy level for me that's looking like a nice potential short could be the 95,000 level. Looking at our market cipher indicator, it was an absolutely beautiful short from the bearish divergence on the daily time frame, and I personally did manage to milk a nice amount out of the markets on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and about 10 different altcoins on this 38% dump from that bearish divergence, closing out all of my trades and flipping long from this green dot trigger wave on the daily time frame with our tweezer pattern at the sniper long down at the OB. Looking at the 4-hour time frame order blocks, we can now see a nice bullish order block being established down between 65 and 67,000, and a strong bearish order block up between 77 and 78,000, giving us a nice current trading range for our potential longs and shorts. Make sure that you are using the confluence of your market cipher indicator on the daily time frame for these trades. Something interesting I am seeing on the charts here, and I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but if I see a pattern, I have to bring it to the community, and we are seeing what could potentially play out to be a pretty crazy head and shoulders pattern with a lower high coming in for the right shoulder anywhere in the next few weeks to months. As you can see, if we do put in this right shoulder, this is an extremely bearish price target. And as we know with Bitcoin, anything is possible. This price target would bring us to a very bearish $12,000 level. Personally, I don't expect levels this low, but we have to be aware of what the charts are telling us. Something else most traders will probably be aware of is, of course, our CME gap that has not been properly filled. I like to look at these gaps on the 4-hour time frame, and we can see here that there is still an imbalance on the charts. And this is one of the reasons our 84K level is also currently acting as a magnet for price. And this will be a nice price target for those who did get in on the smart money concept bullish order block long on the weekly time frame. It is good to see that our weekly RSI is actually sitting in the oversold area, and it is rhyming with our stochastic RSI in that oversold zone. The stochastic is slowly moving towards its moving average, and a breakthrough of this moving average would be a good sign for upwards momentum and a possible signal of a reversal and a continuation of this regular RSI back up into its momentum zone towards that 50 line. The last time our weekly RSI did come into this oversold zone was all the way back here in June 2022, down at around $20,000. This is a good sign that we are already looking oversold for the RSI up here at 68K, although please be aware that we could still come down to much lower levels within this oversold range. Something very nice to note here on the weekly, and congratulations to those smart money concept traders who managed to get the sniper entry on this wick long. There is a smart money concept order block tutorial on the Coin Bureau trading channel, but in very basic terms, we saw the break of structure here to the upside with our impulse move, and our last red candle before that break of structure was this doji candle here, and as we can see, that gave us a beautiful sniper entry right at the tippy top of our bullish OB. Another thing, in my opinion, to be very aware of is this $86,000 to $87,000 support and resistance flip. Here we can see support established, broken through, and we have not yet come up to properly retest that and flip it into resistance. In institutional trading terms, this is known as the scene of the crime, and it means there are a lot of big orders for shorts sitting around this level. And one of the reasons why that level is acting as a magnet on our charts. Looking at the market Cipher indicator on this weekly time frame, and there are full tutorials on these market Cipher strategies on the Coin Bureau trading channel. Awesome to note that the market Cipher did catch the bearish divergence all the way up at $119,000, now around 50% up in profits on the downtrend on spot. Our green trigger wave on the weekly then managed to get us this nice uptick of about 14%, and now we are seeing the continuation of this red dot to the downside at the break of our bear flag pattern. I think most of you are fully aware of this bear flag pattern, and we have now finally reached our full price target, which is also another reason why we could potentially see a reversal from these levels. Going back to the weekly with a bit of market structure analysis, we can see that from all-time highs, we have now dropped around 52%. Typically, historically, our bear markets have brought us down from all-time highs around 75% within that last year of the 4-year cycle. So if history is going to rhyme in any way, we should have at least another 25% down within and around the next 240 days, and that brings us round about to $44,000. And this could be a potential bottoming level. We did see our fear and greed index go all the way down to 5, and typically these extreme fear levels are also a sign that we are coming down towards whale accumulation zones.